So how to fix TikTok CapCut template not showing. Hello guys, so welcome back. First thing I want to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then you have to go into the apps manager. Open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. All what you want to do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down like this until you find TikTok. Click on it and then click on this force stop option right here, as you can see. After you click on force stop, now you have to go back to the home page and open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for TikTok and then click on this update option right here. Because after you update the TikTok, the CapCut feature is gonna be there for you, and that's it. The problem must be solved. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have to delete TikTok from your phone and install it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.